Hello everybody. Today we'll be discussing our LDAP synchronization, specifically how to set up that LDAP synchronization and how to add target users via LDAP. Let's begin. To get to our LDAP synchronization settings, we're going to start from the dashboard and we're going to go down to Company and then to Company Settings. Here we'll have this toolbar that will scroll all the way over to the right to LDAP. And as you can see, I've already filled out this information, but for your first time, you'll enter in the service URL, the blind username password, your base domain name, and any relative DNs as well. To ensure your connection is successful, you can click Test Connection here. And finally, we'll click Save Changes. For scheduled syncs, we can come in here, and I already have a scheduled sync running, but we can edit this. And we can edit which LDAP groups we'd like to sync, and we can choose which target groups that this group will go into. For field mapping, we can choose which fields come from your Active Directory into the platform.
We are required to pull in fields such as email, first name, and last name, but to utilize other products such as our smishing and vishing simulator, you will need a phone number in there as well.
And then if we have any custom fields we'd like to pull in, we can add those in our target user page as well. If this looks good, we'll click Save Changes. If we'd like to add new users via LDAP, we'll click Add New User, and we'll scroll down to Import from LDAP. And once again, we can choose to sync our entire LDAP query, or we can select LDAP groups. For our case, we're going to select a specific group to import. And in our case, we'll use administrators, and we'll select our target group. It's important to have a target group already created for your LDAP synchronization, so that way you can select it here under the target group. Click Next. And now we can select users manually, so a one-time import. We can sync by query, which means we can select conditions that have to be met for a user to be imported into this target group, or we can simply sync all users within our group. For our case, we'll click manually and click Import All. And now if we go into our groups, we can see that user here underneath that target group. This completes our LDAP tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.